Hi, welcome to the Frank Solution. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the SPSS application to carry out statistical analysis. Let's assume you already download the SPSS application in your phone so we can get started with your process. So what is SPSS? SPSS stands for Statistical Package for Social Science. The application is used for analyzing data. So we can get started by the process, right? Yes, we can go. When you open your SPSS application, you'll see a lot of multiple cells. These cells are for you to input your data and variable. Right on the SPSS application, we have the variable view and also the data view. The data view is where you can input your data, while the variable view is where you can input the dependent and independent variables. So let's say, for instance, we want to work on a research to know if the age of people can be used to predict their income level. We have our data already in Excel format, and right in the Excel you can see the age and also the income, and other data has been taken from different respondents. So as you can see, here is the income of the respondent, and we are going to SPSS application to set up our data and variables. So on the SPSS application, remember the dependent variable is the income and independent variable is the age of the people. So click on the variable view and let's input our first variable, which is the independent variable age. So when you type in the age and click on the enter button on your keyboard, you see a lot of label. Let's start with the numeric. We are using numeric because our values are numbers. But if, for instance, our values are words, we will be using the string. But anyway, since our values are number, let's go with the numeric. Then on the width, our data width is 20. Let's go back to our Excel and see what we're talking about. So if you look at our data is numbered from 2 to 21, which means that we have our data size of 20. So we are putting 20 there in the SPSS application under the width. Yeah, so the decimal, I think we should go with 2 decimal places. The other labels there, you can leave them as they really don't matter a lot in this analysis. So let's go with to the dependent variable, which is the income, and just as we did, click the enter button and change the width to 20 because the size is 20 as balanced data and as a numeric. Now we can go to the data view. Oh wow, look at how it looks like. So we can input our data right now on the data view. Very simple. So let's go back to Excel and copy all of our data. Yeah, copy all of our data and go back to our SPSS and paste this data in the space. So we can see our data are ready for analysis. So in order to analyze this data, click on Analyze. Let's say we'll be using regression. Let's click on regression and click on linear, which means we are using linear regression. So now you can see our dependent and independent variables. So on the independent variable, you can put our age there, and the dependent variable, you can put the income there. On the right side of this pop up, you can see some settings, statistics, plot, style, options, and all of that. Let's click on the statistic and tick the R square change and click on continue. Yeah, okay, yes, let's click on that. So then click on continue, then click on continue. After that, you can click on option. You can see our p-value there is 0.05, which is 95. We are testing this research at 95% confident level. So I don't think there's really any much thing. Yeah, so let's click on continue, and we don't want to plot, we don't want, so we can just continue with our data analysis. Wow, our results are ready. So in this result, we are most interested in three things: p-value, which is a significant level. We can see in our result here, there's no significance. Our p-value is greater than 0.05, and if our p-value is greater than 0.05, we can say that there is no significance, which means age cannot be used to predict income. So the next value is our r squared value, which is 0.018. This means that the independent variable are only responsible for 1.8% changes in the dependent variable. Wow, we can see why our result is insignificant. So the next thing to do is to look for the b value. The b value is 145. Wow, this 145 simply means that for every unit change in age, there will be a $145 change in income. But according to our result, this result is insignificant. So as you can see, age cannot be used to predict income according to the study. Our next video is gonna be how to perform ANOVA using SPSS. So just do us a favor by like and subscribe, and also ring the notification bell so that you can get our video update as soon as we drop them.